Hey, this is Ben with Sauna Marketplace, and I wanted to take a second to introduce you to the CL12G from SaunaLife. The CL12G offers an inviting front porch that ties high-end accents of this sauna together, and with an 8-person capacity in the hot room, you will not be fighting for space. Built to last for decades, the thermally modified spruce exterior and thermal aspen raised benches are sustainably sourced from managed forests in Northern Europe and treated with a completely chemical-free process using only heat and steam under pressure. The CL12G works with top heater brands including Harvia, Iki, and the exclusive Sonum Air Perfect, which the experts at Sauna Marketplace know better than anyone else around. The full shingle roof with underlayment, bronze-tempered glass, and wireless LED lighting make this showstopper of a kit sauna the perfect addition to your backyard wellness retreat. So head on over to our website, SaunaMarketplace.com, where we can answer any questions you might have about the SaunaLife CL12G or any of the other saunas that might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. That's SaunaMarketplace.com.